heard that it's also gonna rain tomorrow.
Bruh, I hate it when it rains. Can you put me up tonight? I don't want to get my new suit wet.
Sure, let's go.
Hey, why do you have to board up your window?
Ah, my windows are broken, so I fixed them up temporarily like that.
Well, since you were kind enough to put me up, maybe I'll cook dinner for you. Um, let's see in the fridge. What shall we eat tonight?
Wait, what? No, you can't cook. You're gonna tear my whole apartment down. Let's order food instead.
Oh, okay, fine.
What do you want? How about ordering from Pizza Hut?
Hmm. I'll get a margarita, a creamy mushroom pasta, and one Coke, please.
Alright, I'm gonna take that down.
Yo, man, can we get some alcohol?
Man, we still gotta work tomorrow, and your work always piles up on Friday.
Well, we can water it down a bit, maybe?
Still a no. I'm sick of having to prop you up whenever you're drunk.
Okay, okay, fine.
1 hour later.
Hi, here's your delivery.
Damn, man, that's a fabulous pizza. Alright, I'm gonna cut it out.
Cutting. Eating.
Jesus, my brand new sofa!
Oh no. Please, don't die on me, man.